In our world now, where there is so much money on the internet, it will be so crazy to not place yourself in a position where you can also be making huge amounts of money from the market. And yes, day trading is one of the most lucrative ways of making money online, and one of the best ways to make yourself extremely rich. In this golden era of the internet, and right now, your head have been filled with too many noises from a lot of videos online who are trying to confuse and complicate day trading for you. Forget everything you've been taught on day trading and focus on these things that I am about to reveal to you in this video. I will be guiding you on the right way to start day trading and begin to make money for yourself every day from the market. If you skip any part of this video, you will be making this tutorial a very hard one for yourself, as I will be explaining a lot of eye-opening things that a lot of traders will never want to teach you in the market. Now, my tribe soldiers, let's get down into this business. First of all, what is day trading? In the simplest term possible, day trading is the act of making trading decisions based on quick analysis and trading patterns. In day trading, you are taking trades based on what is happening on the market on that particular day. Unlike the long-term investment that our grandfathers did, where you have to hold a stock for a very long time until you are retired, and then you begin to reap the fruits of your labor, or not even reap anything at all. Day trading is not like that. In day trading, we are only focused on the short-term movements of the market, make our money, and wait for another opportunity, and we do this across different markets, such as the crypto market, stock market, currency pairs, futures market, and more. The great thing about day trading is that we can actually make our money whether the market is going up or down. So we take advantage of the rising and the falling of the market, but that will only be possible if you predict it correctly. And there are many things a trader will have to do to predict the market correctly and make profits from the market. But before that, let me take a little time to answer the most common day trading questions that I get from a lot of beginners. The first question I get a lot is, how much do I need to start day trading? Basically, it does not matter how much you are starting with. I have raised traders who started day trading with as little as $50 and ended up raising it up to $35,000 and more. I have also seen traders who started day trading with $1,000 and ended up losing all their money to the market. Meanwhile, another trader is starting with $100 and steadily making up to $70 to $80 profits daily. It does not matter how much you enter the market with. What matters is how much you are able to take from the market, how much of the trading skills you know, and how you can be doing that consistently in order to take money from the market every day. The second question I get a lot is, what is the best Forex broker to use? This one is very important for a trader. In your journey of day trading, you need a Forex broker that have your best interest at heart. When you are day trading, you want to focus on fast execution, low spreads, easy deposit and withdrawals, plus a good customer support. And for this, I highly recommend Deriv Broker. No broker does it better. I've been using this broker for more than 8 years. They have helped me have a very smooth day trading journey with fast and easy deposits and withdrawals, best spreads and great customer service. You will find the link to register in the description box below. Now, the next question I get from beginners is, how long will it take me to become profitable in day trading? That I will say depends on you and also the person mentoring you. If you are very passionate about day trading, you will find yourself making a strong improvement over a very short period of time. The ones who took years to become profitable still came to realize the same things, just as those that became profitable in a very short time. After those years of wandering aimlessly in the market, that it took a trader 5 years to become profitable does not mean he was patient. It meant that he was repeating the same mistakes over and over again. In my mentorship program, I train students to become profitable in less than 4 weeks, but that is actually 4 weeks of full detox, undistracted focus, intense training and mentorship. There is no given time for a trader to become profitable. It all depends on how hungry you are for the bag, how disciplined you are, and how much work you are putting into the grind. Now, what do you need to start day trading? This is where many traders get it wrong. Some people think that you need super gaming laptops to become profitable in day trading. Some think it's about how many screens in front of you. Yeah, I get it. Some of these things makes you look professional, but the reality is that they don't even matter at all. In fact, with just your phone, you can become more profitable than a trader with more than 10 screens on his desk. My mentor will always tell me, it's not about what you see on the screens. It's all about what comes to your mind when you see them. If you don't know what you are doing in the market, even if you read the chart from a billboard, it won't change anything in your trading life. There are many underdog traders in this trading industry, the ones you won't ever see on YouTube, who are making so much money that it sounds so crazy when you hear them, living a very chilled life. And when you meet them in person, you will be surprised to discover that a laptop and a phone is their only trading tool. So they are using only a phone and a laptop to make so much money in the market that it even began to feel so illegal when I saw the figures. Before I go down into what I am about to teach you right now, I want to make it clear that the strategies of which I teach on this channel are not limited to Forex trading alone. Like I said earlier, they can be used for crypto trading, stock trading, options trading, futures, commodities, and more. Here on the chart we have the market moving in an uptrend. When we are day trading, the first thing we do on a new chart is to understand where the direction of the market is actually going to, so that we can enter correctly and make something from the market. So when you open a chart of a currency pair, a crypto coin, or a new stock, the first thing you will want to look out for is the overall direction of the market. At that particular moment, remember we are here for the short-term movements of the market, so it will be of no use trying to analyze what happened in 1992. The second thing is the time frame of the chart. Some of you don't know how important a time frame could be until you click the buy or sell trade button and you see the market making big losses within small price movements. To do well in day trading, we have to reduce the time frame to the lower time frames, mainly the 15 minutes time frame and the 5 minutes time frame. If you go lower to start using the 1 minute time frame, then you are no longer day trading, but scalping, and that is another trading ecosystem on its own. So when you are on the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frames, depending on your choice, the first thing you want to know is the current state of the market. You check to see if it is majorly moving in a downtrend or moving in an uptrend. You can identify the overall direction as a downtrend when you see the market making lower lows and higher lows. When this happens, you know that there are more traders selling the market than the ones buying the market. So you want to align yourself and join those traders selling the market, but only when you see a correct selling signal, which will make you a good trend following trader. Now, reverse is the case when you see the market making higher highs and higher lows. Now this is different because right now the market is moving as though it is favoring only the buyers, and that is because many traders are buying the market more than the ones selling the market. So the market is expected to keep rising for a longer period of time before the sellers take over again and start making lower lows and higher lows. Now, this is where the game gets hard. How do you know if the buyers still have the strength to continue pushing the market further? How are you sure that the sellers are still not holding the market down? How do you identify that the trend you are trading is not weak? Can you tell if the market will keep rising up or a reversal is about to take place afterwards? This is the point where the losers will be separated from the winners. It is only when you have the ability to provide a great solution to these questions that you will be called a profitable trader or a losing trader. But hey, my tribe soldiers, I want you all to become the profitable traders, and that's why I am going to teach you a simple strategy with which you can start with and be using it to make money daily from the market. This strategy is simple, and we can call it the breakout strategy, but watch carefully, as this is not the normal breakout strategy that you know. For this strategy to work, we are going to add some more components, rules and principles, in order to make it simple and easy to spot on the chart. In order to make money day trading, you don't need to complicate a strategy. You don't need to know quantum physics to start making profits. There is not big calculus involved. You need to keep this strategy as simple as possible. The goal is to make money quick and exit quick. In this strategy, we are going to be targeting the trend retracements. Remember, I said earlier that the only way to profit is to follow what the trend is doing. So now, when we are here in an uptrend, we want to see the market retracing back after making a new higher high. And when it does, you start to observe the movement of the price. At this point, that market will be finding a way of gathering momentum and power to move to the upside again and continue the trend. Many buyers will be trying to enter the market from these pullback regions. And that's where you should also aim to enter the market and take advantage of the opportunity. But don't be in a rush, because you don't want to become a liquidity for other buyers in the market. You patiently allow the market make some price build-ups, just like this one, in order to show that the buyers are really interested in that area. After that, you draw a box on that build-up and wait for the market to break out of that box. Now, this is the interesting part. We are not going to enter the market immediately after the breakout line. That is the way impatient traders trade. And we are also not going to enter after this little retracement to the box, as that will always fail. We will only look out to trade the bigger and clearer pullback to the box. Now, for us to get that correctly, we are going to add some rules to the equation, because we don't also want a retracement. That is too wide and big for the box. The rule is that the market must not break the last higher high before retracing back to the box. Everything must be happening inside the last higher high and higher low of the current trend retracement. If the market breaks the last higher high before retracing to the box, we will not take that trade again, and therefore the whole setup will be cancelled. Now, when the market finally touches the box, you execute your trade and place your stop loss at the last lower high of the trend retracement, which is below the box, and your take profit target at the next high, and then you wait for your take profit target to hit successfully. Now, I will show you an example of this strategy also working so great in a downtrend. So here you can see that the market is making lower highs and lower lows, which makes us clearly understand that the sellers are more active in the market. So based on that observation, we also become sellers in order to activate and align with the other sellers in the market to take advantage of the bigger opportunities in the market. So here, we have the price rising up after making a new lower low. And when the price later settles down, you can see that the market is gaining strength and momentum to push the price down. And we can clearly understand that through the activities of the sellers in the market. See how they are making price build-ups in order to create a massive fall in the market. And in no time, there would be a breakout. So you draw your box on those price movements and wait for price to break out. And when it finally break out, remember, tribe soldiers, that you are not entering the market immediately after the breakout. And you are not looking to enter when the market made a little retracement. You wait for the bold and clear price retracement to the box, making sure it has not broken the last lower low yet. And when the market returns and touches the box, you take a trade, placing your stop loss above the last lower high and your take profit target at the next lower low. And if you follow these instructions correctly, you'll see your take profit target get hit successfully. This strategy works so great for everyday trader, whether you are beginner or pro, and can be used to start your day trading journey. But listen to me carefully, tribe soldiers. Don't get too excited, because you see that the strategy is very simple and easy. And then start trading anything that looks like it on the chart, and later say that the trading chief told you to do so. Right now, chill and relax, And take your time to analyze this strategy very well on your chart, backtest it more than 50 times, and take some trades on your demo account. If you do that, you will find yourself making money endlessly in the market. You will never be broke again. Now, for some of you who want to see my trades and what the trading chief is really made of in the market, I always drop and document all my trades on my Telegram channel. You will see all my trades there, and some of them will be dropped as free signals for my members. The link is in the description box below, and if you want to become a profitable trader in less than 1 month, I will be training you intensely for 4 weeks in my mentorship program. I will decode all my 9 years of trading knowledge and experience into your life instantly, and if that sounds good, click the first link in the description box. And by now, I believe that the instructions in this video has helped to guide you on the right path into becoming a successful day trader. If you want to become a successful scalper and start growing small trading accounts very fast, step by step, with zero experience, watch this video right now. We are the Trading Tribe, and it's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one.